on football. Hey, bro. The bus. All right. Front lip goes up. Sorry. She got scared. Bro. Oh, wait, no, they're okay. Alright, let's get our snow cone, man. Bro, I actually scared that lady. Oh my god. I feel bad. I don't know, man. I always wanted to do that. Alright, let's go get our snow cone. Got my snow cone. Go back to the vet. What do you guys think? This is the first time I've shown the Corvette. What do you guys think? This is the way. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I'm a menace. I'm a menace. Wow. Downshift. We'll be seeing you, buddy. Come on, man, stop playing. You know, guys, that was a short drive, but it was good. I think it was good. I think it was great, actually. You get to really, you know. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. I'm always down. I'll make longer videos too, and you know, I gotta make a review on this car. This car is too cool. But yeah, my first video actually did not bad. So if you guys enjoy these, please subscribe. I appreciate it. I'll try to upload, like, you know, every other day. You know, try to upload frequently. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe.